Welcome back. You're watching round 2 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Padmore Primary on 8 and Friendship Primary on 9. Time now for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Damonish Clooney, the captain of Friendship Primary, up against Diona Phipps of Padmore Primary. Captain Damonish, we begin with you. A boy has a piece of string 115 meters long. How many pieces 5 meters long can he cut from the string?
23.
That's right. A cyclist rode 22.9 kilometers for journey A and 23.6 kilometers for journey B. How long was his total journey?
46.5 kilometers.
That's incorrect. Diona, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
I have 46.5 meters. We'll double check that. Captain, Mark bought a shirt for $700 plus 20% tax. How much did he pay for the shirt?
$840.
That is correct. What is 6.6 multiplied by 7?
46.2.
That's correct. If 4n plus 3 equals 27, what's n?
6.
That is correct, and that's actually 5 of 5, Captain, because 46.5 kilometers was correct. Great job. Diona, over to you. A farmer sells trays of eggs with each tray containing 1.5 dozens. If he sells 10 trays, how many individual eggs has he sold?
16.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 180. Diona, a long jumper, leapt 8.6 meters and then 8.4 meters in her 2 jumps. What was the mean average of both jumps?
$8.8 meters.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. 8.5 meters.
That is correct. Diona, Lizzie saw a blouse advertised for $800 with a 10% discount for cash purchases. If she bought the blouse cash, how much did she pay for it?
$710.
Sorry?
$710.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. $720.
That is correct. Diona, what is 5.6 multiplied by 8?
What, 8.8?
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. 44.8.
That is right. Diona, if 5n minus 6 equals 39, what's n?
$9.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Tion Hughes of Friendship Primary. Tion is up against Malik Brown from Padmore. Tion, what's the name of the universal force of attraction acting between all matter?
Magnetism.
That's incorrect. Malik, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's gravity. Tion, what is the name of the soft substance found in the center of our bones?
Bone marrow.
Or marrow, that is correct. Tion, in which of the 6 food groups are peas, beans, and nuts?
Legumes.
That's right. What's the name for an environmental area which is inhabited by a particular species or animals of plants?
Habitat.
That's right. What's the name given to an unborn baby in the earliest stages of growth?
Embryo.
That is correct. Bringing us over to Malik, when a driver applies his brakes to a moving car, what's the name of the force that causes the car to stop?
Friction.
That's right. Where in the body are red and white blood cells produced?
Marrow.
That's correct. Malik, in which of the 6 food groups are cabbage, callaloo, and pak choy?
Vegetables.
That's right. To which group of vegetables do frogs, to which group of vertebrates do frogs and toads belong?
Amphibians.
That's right. What's the name for an unborn baby inside the womb that's over 10 weeks old?
Fetus.
That is correct. 5 of 5, Malik. Well done. Time now for English language. It's between Monicia Daly of Friendship, who's up against Caden Anderson of Padmore. Monicia, form a noun from the verb to see.
Seen.
That's incorrect. Caden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's sight or seer. Monicia, complete this proverb. Keep your friends close and your enemies
Closer.
That's right. What's the masculine form of a squaw?
Brave.
That's correct. Spell assassin.
ASSICINE.
That's incorrect. Kaden, want to try?
ASSAIN.
That's also incorrect. It's assassin. ASSASSIN. Monicia, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of moved.
Unmoved.
That's correct. Kaden, over to you. Form an adjective from the noun palace. Monicia, want to try?
Palatial.
That is correct. Kaden, complete this proverb. There's more than one way to skin.
A cat.
That's right. What's the feminine form of a buck?
Doe.
That's correct. Spell possession.
POSITION.
That's incorrect. Monicia, want to try? It's possession. POSSESSION. Kaden, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of logical.
Illogical.
That is correct. Taking us now to social studies between Elena Smith of Friendship Primary up against the captain of Padmore Primary, Tristan Myrie. Elena, was Cecil Baugh a famous Jamaican artist, musician, or athlete?
Musician.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's an artist. Elena, what name does Barbadians give to the fruit known in Jamaica as guinep?
Aki.
That's right. What's the name of the spider that is the star of popular Jamaican folk tales?
Anansi.
That's correct. Elena, in Jamaica, is kumina a fruit, dance, or a type of food?
Dance.
That's right. Fort Charlotte can be found in which Jamaican parish?
Hanover.
That is correct. Captain, over to you. Was Andrew Salkey a famous Jamaican painter, dancer, or author?
Author.
That's right. What name do Trinidadians give to the fruit known in Jamaica as guinep?
Cheddar.
That is correct. Jack Mandora, me no choose none, is usually said by Jamaicans after reading what kinds of stories?
Folklore.
That's incorrect. Elena, want to try?
Yes, please. Dopey stories.
Or ghost stories. That is correct. Captain, in Jamaica, is pone another name for a dumpling, pudding, or fruit?
Pudding.
That's right. Fort Augusta can be found in which Jamaican parish?
St. Catherine.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Padmore Primary on 20 points and Friendship Primary on 30. The final challenge is next in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.